Welcome to the Magic of Testing. I am your host, Jonathan Kraft, and want to thank you for choosing to learn this really valuable and really important skill in your internet marketing career. In this first video, we're going to talk about just some of the basics around split testing. There are a lot of different things that you can do when it comes to split testing, and so this is going to show you just the basic idea behind testing, and then in the next videos, we'll show you how to get your own split test set up. So the basic idea behind a split test is that you can take and build different copies of the same web page. There's a lot of different ways to get traffic coming into your website. So it's coming into your site and it's landing on, let's say, your index page, which is the main page of your website. So someone's coming in, they land on this index page, and you want them to do something when they get there. Now you might have a different goal than somebody else. Your goal might be to get someone to sign up for a newsletter. Someone else's goal might be to get someone to buy from that website. Regardless of what your goal is, you want them to do something on your web page. Split testing basically focuses around the idea that instead of sending all of your traffic to this one index page, what if you could create 3 different copies of your index page? If you could create 3 different copies and send 1/3 of your traffic over here, and send 1/3 of your traffic here, and send 1/3 of your traffic here, could you potentially get some different results from this page to this page, from index 1A to index 1C? Would there potentially be a difference in what the traffic did? And the answer is, of course. You might find that on this page, if you want to get someone to sign up, well, maybe 5% of people who land on this page sign up, and maybe 10% of people who land on this page sign up. That's not a big deal, right? It's a huge deal, because if you have 100 visitors coming to your website, that's the difference between 5 and 10 subscribers. But let's say instead you have 1,000 visitors coming to your website. That is the difference between 50 subscribers and 100 subscribers. And if you send 1,000 visitors a day, at the end of the month, that's the difference between 1,500 and 3,000 new people on your list. So if this one outperformed in a month's time, you would want to use this page, right? But how do you do that? That was my biggest frustration at the beginning of 2006. I realized there were people using these methods, but I had no idea how they were doing it. And so I decided to create this course after testing all through 2006 and doing a lot of it in 2007 and experiencing some phenomenal results. So I'm going to talk with you and walk you through the process of different things you can test and different things that you can set up on your page so that you don't have to go through all the process of everything that I went through to learn how to set up this split testing on your website. What I'm going to do now is take you over to a web page where you will look at 3 pages and you'll make a decision about which one is the best. I'm going to give you page A, page B, and page C, and you get to be the person who decides what will be the best performing page. Once you have made your decision, I will ask for your name and email. When you click to get the answer about which page is best, I'm not only going to tell you which page performs the best, but I'm going to show you why it performs the best. And I'm going to give you 8 videos for free, which will show you the ultra simple steps to setting up your very own split tests. Hopefully you have learned something from this video already. If you have, you should know that it's just the beginning of what's in store for you. Learning this one skill alone really will make you more money. Again, I'm taking you over to a page right now where you're going to enter your name and email. I'm going to show you which page performs the best, and you will get 8 free videos about how you can set up split testing to double, triple, or even quadruple your income. I'm taking you over to the page now.